You are going to love the 2018 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob. Come see the car for yourself.